The Eastern Conference semifinal from Lynn Family Stadium in Louisville. City against city.
Hey, gentlemen, good week of training. You start the game on the front foot with the right mentality. Turn them early, make them defend, and stick together for 90 plus. We're moving on to the next round. Let's go, gentlemen. Come on.
The 8 seed Detroit City away to face 5 seed Louisville City. Good from Del Piccolo. There goes Ombi. Levied off through now. Ombi! Ombi! Penalty! Lancaster has scored 14 of 15. Lancaster delivers! Louisville City grabbed the lead in pursuit of their 9th consecutive conference final. Mogel. Ball ricochets all the way through Ombi. Wants Ombi! Brian Ombi's 9th playoff goal! Always the man for the big occasion. Ombi. Mogel!
And the victor in the first half was Lou City. Cameron Lancaster, Brian Ombi, and if you're Danny Cruz, those two players, you get them confident, they're going to be massive game changers.
On to the second half we go. Adams. Ombi has a step. Ombi rounds the corner. Ombi across, chested in. Cameron Lancaster has his second tonight. The conference final draws closer for Cam in Louisville City. Rodriguez. Hung that up. Rotz. Header on! Zabla.
Big time save.
Lancaster picking Lewis's pocket. Gonzalez steps through. Gonzalez! A Louisvillian dagger at the hour mark. The onslaught that Louisville's been waiting for. Full time arrives. For the 9th time in 9 seasons, Louisville City is en route to the Eastern Conference Final. And Danny Cruz's men put together their best performance of the year.
And I'm really, really proud of you guys. But we move on. We move on to next week. I'm already moving on to next week in my own head. Tomorrow I'm going to be on it, and you guys be ready to go on Monday. Because we're not done. Everybody on the same page with that? Yeah. Be proud, but we're not done.